welcome back. Your time right now is 8:13. Happening now, a burn ban is in effect across West Virginia. Now, the order bans outdoor burning, including campfires, until further notice. Governor Jim Justice issued that order in the wake of multiple wildfire events in the region, and especially because of the dry weather. Meteorologist Jackie Lee is tracking that forecast. We have that red flag warning here in the DMV. And Jackie, those wildfires, once they ignite, they spread very quickly.
Yeah, they can spread very quickly because of the gusty winds that are expected for the day today, and also because of all that dry soil and vegetation. Again, like I mentioned, we do have that red flag warning in place. That's from noon to 8 p.m. today. That's also known as a fire weather warning. So keep in mind that it does include much of the area, but notice Hagerstown as well as Western Maryland not included. However, there is still that elevated fire threat in those locations through the day today as well, although they are not included in this particular warning. But we are also under that drought monitor moderate. That's a 2 out of 5 on that scale, and that includes Baltimore, D.C. as well as down towards Fredericksburg area. But the rest of the region is a very, very dry pattern, and that dry pattern continues today, tomorrow, as well as through the end of the weekend. Again, the winds will pick up through the day today, and as we get towards the end of the week as well, we'll continue to notice those temperatures warming up. We could be near record warmth by Friday. We're going with a high of 89 in the district on Friday. That would likely tie that old record for that day. Rain chances, thankfully, will be returning. However, that's for the weekend, but it does not look like a complete washout. I'll have the latest timing coming up, but let's talk about satellite and radar out there right now. Satellite, we're just tracking some clouds off towards the north. Radar is all clear. We did see a few flurries pop up back out towards Western Maryland. Yes, a few flurries, mainly for those higher elevations, but that precipitation has since pushed its way farther off towards the north. Let's talk about those winds, those sustained winds, mainly out of the south and west, picking up 5 to 15 miles per hour. A few gusts, though, those are in excess of 30 miles per hour. We're seeing that in Frederick, Hagerstown, as well as back out towards Kaiser. Kaiser, you're coming in close to 40 mile per hour gusts right now. Temperatures, those are slowly starting to warm up as well. We're talking upper 40s to low to mid 50s right now, 53 in D.C., upper 40s in Hagerstown. We're also into low 50s, I should say, in Fredericksburg. A little bit cooler back out towards Western Maryland as well as out towards Woodstock and Luray, coming into the 40s right now. Futurecast showing us warming up mid to upper 60s for much of the area. A little bit cooler off towards the north towards Hagerstown as well as back out towards the mountains. Looking ahead towards 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, starting off into the 40s, and then we'll bounce back into the mid 70s tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow looking absolutely beautiful. Get out there and enjoy it, just because as we look ahead towards Thursday and Friday, we will be tracking that warmth. Dare I say the heat, considering by Friday those high temperatures will be nearing 90 degrees. So looking ahead at that weather pattern, we'll see that southerly flow allowing those temperatures to really warm up for Thursday as well as Friday. And this will be out ahead of that cold front back out towards our north and west. Now that could be bringing a few rain showers late Friday night, and some of those could linger into early Saturday. Aside from that, then we should see another round of some late day showers and thunderstorms for later on Saturday and into early Sunday. So it looks like later Saturday into early Sunday, that is a better chance for some rain showers across the region. So again, does not look like a complete washout by any means. The next 3 days, though, dry. We're looking at today, breezy, beautiful tomorrow, 80s returning as early as Thursday. Here's a view of that 8-day forecast for the 8 o'clock hour. So as we look ahead towards the weekend, notice Saturday, low 80s, Sunday, a little bit cooler but seasonable, mid upper 60s, and we're low 60s to kickstart that next work week. Shanika's here with another look at the roadways.